This fighter jet has a secret weapon, and it's not the jet, it's the helmet. The Eurofighter Typhoon uses the Striker 2 helmet, and it costs over $400,000. That's more than what some countries pay for an entire jet. Why? Because it turns the pilot into the weapon. No buttons, no switches. The pilot just looks at a target, and boom, lock on. Built-in night vision, infrared tracking, a 360 km display, you can literally see through the jet. In 2024, Typhoon pilots used it to stop a 170 drone attack on Israel without even turning their jets. Each helmet is custom fit to the pilot's skull. You don't wear it, it becomes part of you. This isn't gear, it's a freaking superpower. A lot of people are watching video without subscribing, so subscribe now.